On this lesson, I'm gonna show you how to work with classes, how you can define them and work with some objects. So if you wanna create a class, you have to type in class, give some name like human. So inside of the body of the class body, you can define the behavior as well as the data. So we'll give in public string and some name like name, and now we type in public integer h. So that's all what we want right now. We now go on the main method and call the human. We create some object. Human, we give some name like person1 equals new human. So if you're done, write console.writeLine, and we're gonna type in my name is plus person1 dot name. And now we're gonna give some value inside of the name value that we have inside of the class. We type in person1 dot name equals to John. So we click on save, and below don't forget to type in console.read key. So if you're ready, click on save again and start. And as you can see, my name is John. We have the value of John right now inside of the value of the variable string that we have created. So if you wanna change it, you can do it by typing in again person1 equals to Louis, and as you can see, we change the name into Louis. So, and yeah, that's how you can change the value, put some new value inside of that. And yeah, now if you want to work with some methods, you can use that by typing in public void. We give in method1, and inside of the method we're gonna type in console.writeLine, and my name is plus name. Don't forget name. We forget about that. So now you can type in name. So now console.writeLine, I am plus h, now years old. So now if you want to call the method, you have to go on the main method. So now it's good. We're gonna type in human dot person1 equals to new human. So now we're gonna type in person dot method1, and we're gonna call that. Don't forget to type in console.read key, and that. So now we are good to go. Click on save and on start. Now as you can see, we call the method right here, method1. My name is, I am 0 years old. Yeah, that's because we don't have a value right now. If you give some value like name equals to John, and on the age you give some value like 20, click on save, start again, and as you can see, my name is John, I am 20 years old. So now you know how to work with classes, how you can define them, create some objects like you can see right here. And yeah, that's all what you need to know about classes. I hope you liked that lesson, and yeah, we will see you on the next one.